Hi friends, I'm Jason, the marketing professor, and I teach everyone from the student to the CEO the essentials of digital marketing in 5 minutes or less. Let's get started. Today I'd love to share with you some ideas on how you can use YouTube and Pinterest to share a final project. So let's dive in. YouTube gives you the opportunity to share tutorials. How do you bake a cake? How you can lose weight just eating Krispy Kreme donuts? Or how do you get from where you are today to where you want to be tomorrow doing something? It also gives you the opportunity to collaborate with other YouTubers, other influencers, share their ideas, kind of have a visual interview of sorts. It brings the best of both worlds together if you're a fan of multiple YouTubers or multiple different types of results. It also gives you the opportunity to get behind the scenes to see how certain things are done. Again, I'm going to go to the gym thing, for example. We see a lot of YouTube videos or TikToks of people lifting in the gym, and that's all well and nice, but what if you really got behind the scenes of what somebody goes through to lose weight in the gym? The getting up early, the modifying of the diet, maybe trying different sets of clothes, supplements perhaps. Behind the scenes are helpful. It also lets you engage with the people you're trying to talk to. Comments and feedback. These are the types of things I like from you. Your comments and your feedback help you to be part of the show, if you will, and you can optimize your YouTube videos for SEO, search engine optimization, certain search criteria so that when somebody is looking for something that you offer, you turn up. Now, Pinterest is something we haven't talked about in a bit, but it offers a lot of opportunities for you to engage with your final product in a visual medium. Again, Pinterest is visually appealing. You've got great cameras on your phone, whether you're taking pictures of that cake or something that you're knitting, or your before picture of yourself and the after picture of yourself. You can put all of that on Pinterest. You can also use keywords so that when somebody is searching for something, how to make a quilt, how to, repaint a car using a spray paint can, things of that nature. You can use those keywords to get some nice imagery on Pinterest. You can also create boards with specific types of themes. That's one of my favorites. I like to subscribe to different boards that show how to organize an office. You can also join communities, other people who might be into how to create a nice workstation or how to have a couch behind you at work. I sleep on that thing from time to time. And you can also add pin it buttons to your website, which is going to get somebody to share your content on their Pinterest boards. So YouTube and Pinterest are both great mediums for sharing a final project, and I encourage you to use them often as part of your digital marketing strategy. If you like short lessons like this, do me a favor. Click the like button as well as subscribe, and let me know in the comment section if there's something you'd like me to cover. You can reach me on all the social places, my website, themarketingprofessor.net, and our new online community on Discord. Just do a search for The Marketing Professor, where we have an abundance of free resources, articles I've read over the years, teachings I've given that you can download and use to grow your business or your mind, all for free. Thanks a lot for joining me. I'll talk to you next time. See ya.